G'day DIYers, it's Chriso. We're just going up this other wall now. When you have your taps and stuff like that, miss them out, go around them and come back to them. Get your glue on the best way you know how. Then slap it on and then get your lines going the way water would flow. That's the best way to explain it. Come back to your cuts, DIYs, if you can. Or you do a few and then get your cuts done. Because all the time your glue is drying. Don't forget. If you're living in a country that has snow and it's colder, well then your glue doesn't go off as quick, or skin. Glue on a wall can skin very easy, which means when you touch it like that, it doesn't end up on your finger when it skins. So when you've got glue that's skinned, you need to go over it again. Right, leave that sucker out. I might just have to I'll put in a couple of pieces, I think, to get over that. Just so I can carry on up the wall. I don't know if they're in the right place yet. What I'm trying to do is get the tiles on the wall as quick as I can. When I do the cuts, I'll scrape that glue away. I'm going to be going through there with a bit of a splashback up to here. I'll come back to that in a minute. I might just have to cut a little bit out, okay. Do it. So it's going about that high. There. Draw a bit of a circle. And I'll come back to you. See ya, bye.